Hey everybody, welcome back to another FAQ Friday. If this is your first time landing on this channel, this is where we typically take your most commonly industry related questions and we answer them right here, right now. We have a question that has had a lot of requests here recently. So what is that question? Question is, what is the main difference between NPT and BSP threads? Let's begin. Okay, so let's get something basic out of the way. NPT and BSP threads are typically, just pipe standards, right? Kind of like ISO standards for certain products, liquids, things of that nature. So NPT stands for National Pipe Thread and BSP stands for British Standard Pipe. BSP is the type of thread that is mostly used in places like, let's say, the UK, Germany, New Zealand, Australia, South Africa, just to name a few countries. In contrast, BSP...
Andy, it's NPT. Stick to the script.
Believe it or not, is really reserved for two markets only worldwide. That's the US and our friends up north, Canadians. Okay, so with NPT, peaks and valleys are certainly different, right? And what is that difference? Is that they're a lot more, I should say, maybe flatter, right? The BSP threads have more of a round shape. So NPT is flatter, and then BSP, it's a lot more rounded, if you will. The second thing is the angle of attack, right? A lot of these threads have, a certain angle going up, going down. So that's what I'm referencing to. NPT is typically a 60-degree angle, where a BSP thread angle is somewhere around, I would say, 55 degrees. So now that we highlighted a lot of these differences, as you can probably imagine, BSP and NPT threads are typically not compatible with one another. So in order to connect a NPT into a BSP or to adapt, right, to make that transition from BSP to NPT, an adapter is typically necessary, similar to what we see here of this FMT3 meter. This is what I'm calling an adapter. So this is what's going to take your standard 1-inch male BSP into a female NPT. Wait a second though. Let's call this out properly. So this is what we would say is described as a 1-inch female BSP by a 1-inch female NPT. So there you have it, guys. Those are the main differences, NPT versus BSP. I hope, the video has been educational as always. I appreciate you guys staying with us during this series of Fact Friday videos. We're enjoying this. We're taking a lot of those questions and transferring those into an answer video format like you see here. So I will catch you guys next Friday. Keep those questions coming our way and I will see you then.